Guys, I'm so sorry I lost the footage of me introducing this vlog properly and welcoming you guys. But if you're returning, you already know the vibes, you know the drill. Come back, baby. And if it is your first time, welcome, my baby. I hope that you stay. I hope you subscribe. So in this video, I'll basically be installing a weave, a frontal, for the first time. Enjoy. I really hope that you guys can see here. This is everything that I'm going to use. Going to use this heat protectant. I'll use this to moisturize the hair, the glamour spray, wax stick. This to moisturize my natural hair. And then the combs, hot combs, hair dryer, straightener, you know the vibes. And I have these two wig caps because this one is very tight. Ingibangela headache. And this one sengifake kakhulu so loose. So yeah, this is everything, and I hope, crossing my fingers, that this install iba ngcono ke than the way you're expecting ngayo. I currently have this twist that I did yesterday, so we're just going to moisturize them and put on the wig cap because I don't want my hair to be irritated, or yeah, you know what I mean. So we're just going to moisturize the twist and get down to business. I don't want my scalp to be itchy underneath the weave, of which I think I'm still gonna take it off today after coming back and taking pictures. So yeah guys, the shrinkage will kill you because book. But yeah, I have decided to go with this wig cap because I'm definitely gonna take the weave off today when I come back from lunch. So I'm going to use this Native Child conditioner. Is it a conditioner? It's an edge gel and growth gel to just flatten out my hair. This is how it looks inside. I'm gonna use this. I wish that there was something that I prepared, like Q&As or anything, man, but I wish there was something that I actually prepared so that we can talk about something, because I don't know what to talk about because I did not prepare anything. So I guess we're just gonna install the weave and get down to business. I have a mirror here, so I'm gonna be using the mirror while I just conversate with you guys about anything and everything. Okay, so far so good, I guess. Moment of truth. Oh. Yasaba. Kya Jehova. Sithini nalendo. Why ngakafaki ishandisi la kulo big cap? Where? It's too late. Guys, I didn't put what is it called? I didn't put a powder on the wig cap. What do I do now? Do I take it off? Well, let's continue. For now, it's a moisturizer on my lips. We are already kind of behind. It's already 8 past 8. So Let's get down to business. Oh, I should iron it first. But ilele nje. Oh, Nkosi yami, ngiyasaba. Let's make sure that kuyalingana la. Okay. Ngibona le weave nathi ukuthi ngitonele yona. No one was pointing a gun at me. So when I install it, it's gonna be here. The kiyohlala so. Let me try doing it here, because oh Jehovah, all over man. Yatatazela, you are shaking, my guy. Did I just cut the hair? I just did, didn't I? Oh damn, I just cut my hair. Oh, Jov. Sizawuthini ebantwini. There is no way. Influencers cut a lot than this. Yini le ngikhathile lencane so. Still is not aligned. Like this hair over out most. Oh, Nkosi yami. Ihleli kahle nje yona le weave. I think inhloko yami inkulu man. Ish. Someone was gonna say you think. Okay, let's cut this side and then we are done. Put on the glamour now. If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Okusalayo is that we tried our very best. I think after cutting this, I will have energy yokukhuluma about something else. Right now, ngithukile, so I can't really say anything ngithukile. It makes sense now, right? Yes. No, endlebe yami still isendleleni. So we need to cut some more here. Jehovah. Let me try cutting the hair and then I'll be back because I just can't focus. Bona, I'm shaking. Okay, so I'm back and you remember I said influencers cut a lot? I tried being an influencer. I tried and we don't know, man. I think I did. Okay, yeah, mfambulile. Cut it wrong, but I think I'll fix it. And this side too. So let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Guys, what do I do now? Do I add the glamour spray on top of the hair, or I do it like the influencers and just open here and put the glamour spray? What do I do? What do I do? Decisions, decisions, decisions. I think fambulile. I wonder this side is fine. The side is fine. This one does not make sure. Does not make sure. I cut out a lot here. This one is gorgeous. It's because in cuts are so I can't cut. I should explain. Let's get down to business. Lord be with me.
Right? What do you mean? Okay, I hear you, but can we meet up somewhere to talk it over? Yeah, maybe, but don't you... Hang on, just 1 second. I'm really sorry. Please, babe, I'll be back real quick, I promise. All right, baby, you there?
I'm fucking lost. I don't know where I'm going. You need to get me out of here before they find me.
He wants to talk about it in person. What do you think?
Wait, who?
Hey, Kareem. Well, forget
So what do I do now?
I'm so busy, I'm so sorry.
Guys, what do I do now? Do I just lay? What do I do? Do I plug the hair dryer and... Hey, yo! I just wish that maybe we were on FaceTime so you guys can answer me when I ask questions. Yo! No guys, this is not gonna work. Ngiyehlisa ibhoza yami, ngiyasaba. This is a lot. This is a way too much. And I'm spraying it directly at the northern town. So you're right, guys. Right. Let's put the second layer. Someone said that you lay it, you put the weave back on when you feel like your hair is now sticky. So I feel like it's sticky enough. So, guys, the glamour spray, lang spray connect. Not me looking like a hair influencer. I didn't spray it properly on this side. Yeah. And then why not saying snatched? I look snatched to the gods. Okay, you remember I said something about cutting it correctly the side? No, my ear is being irritated, but we'll see it later. Let's do this. Oh. Phase 1. Phase 1 is complete. Okay. And now we move on to phase 2. We are going to go in with our heat protectant from Tresemme. Yeah, and just not as I said, I should buy a heat protectant because the hair, if I don't have heat protectant on and I'm straightening it and I'm doing 1, 2, 3. So, Nolazi baby, you will always be famous, my girl. Now let's get down to business. Let's get down to business. Why? Why not so this side is smaller than this one? What if we check it? Okay. We're pulling up the big guns. Now we move on to the hot comb. Yeah.
Dump you after dating for a month. I mean, come on. Not a big loss, to be honest. He had way too many red flags.
Really?
Oh, yeah. Drink.
It's not yet hot.
No! Back and you take care of shooting him down.
All right, let's do it. Oh!
Okay, so the hot comb is still not hot the way that I want it to be. So I guess we're just gonna wait for it. Start of the show, I guess. Oh, this is too much. This is a lot of work. I hope you guys are doing good here because I'm in the middle of my exams and I'm but we're installing a weave. At least I have some time out. You guys remember when I started the video I said that left side lily is very good. This one it's hurting me here, so I think I'm going to cut it. So she's I didn't know that's I'm even able to do this, but it would 3. But it gets the job done, I guess. Ah! Okay, yeah, she's. Phew. Okay, so now I'm going to put on the wax stick and just try and make it flat. Oh, hi, boo. And how do you? Whoa, you just push it. Then that's it. There is no rolling. Nothing. So this is it. You just do this. Yo. So this is what makes it flat. Nice. I want to say it's hot. Okay, I think that I should take this off. Has it been enough though? I didn't even check the time. Ngibalekele Jehovah ngisathi ngisho senjani. But it's stuck. Not the way that I want it to be, but it is. Now we are going to cut the lace. So divide that into 3 compartments. See, I can't zigzag it. Look, it's stuck. Oh, I was supposed to wipe this off. If I don't laugh, I'll cry. It's better I laugh, even if I have to force it. Let's look at the folds. See? This is what is happening on this side. This is the front. And this is what is happening on this side. So, what was I supposed to do that I did not do? How bad is it? Oh, it's so bad. so bad. Oh no, it is so bad. Guys, it's so bad. Oh no, it is really bad. Oh Jesus. It's really, really, really bad. Let me try and make sure that the front is fine. I'll do the sides last because I feel like they're taking a lot of time and they don't want to melt. And what am I supposed to do, Mina Manje? Because Mina, you are trying to embarrass me in front of the whole world. I'll do the ends last. Let's just melt the part, the front part. But in the meantime, because I did put glue here, so let's just do that. Oh, so how? What are we gonna say to the people? Okay, now let us apply this just to add some shine into your hair, because I don't have a serum, so we are going to be using this argan oil. I don't want to lie, I am enjoying installing this hair, even if I can see that it's not going the way that I had hoped, but it's still going, so that for me is a win, baby. Manje, it's hot. One mistake, I don't have an ear. Okay, so now we are going to be straightening the hair, but I don't have a direction. Let's try and part it, ne? Style, because I don't think I don't look good. Kulama partings, lunch. So, whoa! Why not say I eat? Why not say I am eating? Abeko ready. Okay. I feel like it looks good though. Does it? Like, what do you guys think? How do you guys feel about it? Let me put you guys on top. How do you guys feel? Let me video call my friends. Oh, because I'm lapo eli ini. Lapo eli ini. But let me try and video call this one. Who should I video call? Oh, hoo, hoo. Also, I'm live on YouTube. Say hi to the vlog. Say hi vlog. I'm gonna go. Okay, so
It's middling. Well, khona ukuthi iqondisa so.
yeah, but ngingakhipha le headband lesesi. It's not looking good. Okay, so uthi the middle part.
Okay, now I'm good. But like, yende ngathi ngisi, ungayi straight, yende si so.
Hey, Nkosi yami. Nakungusiyena. Akasiyeki.
To be seen, Sada.
Yeah.
Please, you deserve this hammer or else it's gonna stop bulala.
I don't know. I'm some feeling to see. What do you guys think?
Now do the middle part. Do the middle part, baby. Faka nerula. Place yakho wayinje i-right. Icishe ifane nawe.
If you have friends, you know that once one of the board members approve, it's approved, baby. It's approved. There is no going back. So middle part it is. I put too much oil, so the hair is a little bit stiff. I'm trying to remove the oil with the wig cap. Okay, now let us straighten it. I don't know how I'm going to start, but let's start with the back. Ta da da da, ta da 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 da, ta da 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 da. No. Oh, go pila. Manqeba akho aliyesa kuwe ulidwala belibantsi ngqongqoshe wezulu uguguphila. Okay, it's hot. Let's get down to business. I know you have. Manga basho song, huh? Manga. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. Oh, manxeba akho aliyeza kum. Oh, bese lomcula manje. Izono I'll see you soon, baby. My camera ran out of space, so there was nothing I could do. I finished off straightening the hair off camera. Now I'm just perfecting it. Just away, hair influenza. I'm just trying to make sure that I look good. I just want to look good. I don't want to look like I don't know my stuff. I hate looking like... How do you do that bridge? I always see influencers doing it. Do you do this and then you come back flat like this, and then it's sort of like a bridge. You. Let's flatten this part. I did some edges because you guys saw that I ruined the weave on this side, so I'm trying to cover it. Edge in front of me. Time to play is over. Right now it is around 9:52. I need to be done by I still have time. But I want to do my makeup. I didn't want this video to be so long. I wanted it to be like a few minutes, but then as you guys can see, we took time to get ready, and I'll just show you guys the final product now after I am done getting ready and stuff. So I'll just show you guys the final product. I hope you guys did enjoy this video though, and I made sure that I do not filter the video because I want you guys to see like the real thing. It's not easy. I have to give it to hair influencers here because you guys are doing a good job. I could never. Woo! Maybe I could. Let me not limit myself. Maybe I could, but for now I have to applaud you guys because it's not easy. It's really not easy. Guys, I am so sorry that I wasn't able to show you guys the full product, but then I think this is how it looks. It's been a lot of hours right now. I think it's around 5 in. But you remember I told you that so this needs to go, and also this lace here. Yeah man, I think for my first time it's not bad. Also on this side it's the same thing. That's why I decided to even do the edges because but yeah, I do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Here is the lace blended and everything. I forgot to put concealer here. So yeah, I do hope that you guys like, you comment, you subscribe to this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Please do go and watch because I did film a spend a day with me, so please do go and watch that. I will see you guys on my next video. Please do not forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah.